at our first stop to pick up our trailer and our freight we'll be hauling over this Sunday into tomorrow morning, Monday. Well, there's one truck running with us. Got a big old load on the old Diamond C. And I got the little Diamond C. Isn't that cute? All right. Looks like we got ourselves a convoy. I just picked up our third truck. Let him here at this rest stop. That's Connor, it's my buddy. They got a bunch of stuff. Good thing the old 7.3 can keep up this trip because they're loaded heavy. All right. First stop, I need fuel because I've been, I got about 350 miles on these guys today just to get up here to get this trailer. We just crossed into New York, so sorry about the wind. It's a windy day out here. What are we rocking? 564. No. I guess you could say we're running 3 Fords. Connor's got his Platinum out, his Platinum 450. Josh has got his F350. And then, you know, someone's got to hold it down with the old equipment. The nice thing is, when they fill up today, they're going to need this. I will not. Boom, boom, boom. He's even got something on his top deck. It's a good looking truck though. That's for sure. Well, we made it to Vermont. Got a hotel room here tonight. A little steakhouse joint beside us, even though it's about 8 o'clock now. And go ahead and get some dinner. They got this nice, that's why we picked this place. They got this nice dirt lot for us to park in. See, some of us actually have to walk out and start our truck with a key. Mr. Connor's in there starting his truck with his cell phone. Because it's a chilly morning here in Vermont. So, see how the old 7.3 starts here. If I can do this with one hand. Ah, beautiful. Man, we're off getting in here this morning. Beautiful out here though. Look at the mountains over there. Man, look at those mountains. Well, this is a beautiful site to get unloaded at. Got a whole crew of people here that actually know what they're doing. The nice gentleman was like, oh, well, you don't have much on your trailer. I'll unload you first so you can get on the road. Well, we're sticking that little trailer on Connor's 44 foot so I can just deadhead all the way home. Empty and no trailer. Well, that was fun to say the least. Getting all those poles are like 6,000 pounds a piece. And we're gonna unload me now because we're gonna work on getting my trailer put up on his trailer with the hydraulic dovetail, and he's working on getting turned around now. Well, after the long day yesterday, what's going on with my safety vest here? I'm all bundled up. It's cold up here. I got a jacket, got a thermal on. Yeah, I had a long drive yesterday. I'm a little tired this morning. All I had was a small cup of coffee from the hotel so we could get over here. It was only 10 miles to get over here to get unloaded. I'm sitting in my truck now. They're gonna unload me next. We got all the poles, would be 6 poles off of one trailer, and I think we've got 4 on the other trailer, and then the small, whatever the components are I have. So we're gonna unload me next so we can work on getting this trailer put up on his, and the rigging crew finally got which is weird, they don't put like a center mark or like a balance point on those poles as like reference, because they load them so they know where that, you know, that center of gravity point is, but they don't I think maybe they would mark them, but the rigging crew finally got it figured out, because the first 2 were a little sketchy. We finally got it figured out, and everything's been going quick from here, so he's actually just getting turned around now to pull out, then I'm gonna pull down. It's just kind of like a one-way. Oof, it's tight back there. He's got the lift axle up, but it's a 44-foot trailer, so it's tight. Let's see if he's coming out now. Look at that scenery though, beautiful up here. Yeah, it looks like he's gonna be good to get out of there. And now we will attempt to back this trailer onto his trailer. Stay tuned. Well, almost home, and it's been nice not having to pull a trailer around, but I'm completely baffled that fuel here north of Harrisburg at the TA is $6.39 a gallon. Unbelievable. Like, what is happening here, America? But the good news is the last 680 miles, which is 418 today, and the rest yesterday, I've been averaging 17 miles per gallon in the 7.3. Didn't believe it, and then I was like, yeah, I've been driving all day. I didn't get fuel today so far, which is 418 miles. I'm like, I don't remember getting fuel at the end of the day yesterday. I wonder how many miles I've gone, and it had been 680 on like 40 gallons. Unbelievable. But we're about an hour from home or so. Sneak out of this truck stop and get home and figure out what's next on the list of things to haul.